How to change add friend to follow in Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. Then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. After you've clicked on three lines, in here click on gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, scroll down till you find how people find and contact you. Now in here, click on who can send you friend request at the top. Make sure it's friends of friends instead of everyone and press on save at the bottom. Then go back. In here, click on followers and public content. Now in here at the top, who can follow me, press on who can follow me, and if there is everyone option, click on everyone. This is not available in my region. If it's everyone, press on everyone and go to save at the bottom, and after that you're good to go. This is how to change add friend to follow in Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.